Hello guys, let us understand how to use animated default text style. First, let us see an example. By the example, we can understand that the animated default text style changes the text style of the widget and the process is animated. That is, when the text style is changing, the animation is taking place. Let us understand some of the basic properties of this widget. The first is the child. Provide the child you want to animate. In our case, we have used text. The second is the style. Provide the text style you want to animate. That is, whenever the text style is changed, this widget will trigger the animation. We will understand how to use this style property. Third is the duration. Duration specifies how long the animation will take place. In our case, we have used 800 millisecond. On end, this is an optional, but provide the function, and this function will be called whenever the animation is complete. Curve, overflow, soft wrap, text align, these are the other attributes that this widget has, but they are optional. A little background about the code. We have created these many buttons, and on click of any of the button we are calling a function. Okay, let us understand by animate italic. Okay, whenever we click on animate italic, we are changing the font style to font style.italic, and then we are calling animate state. Inside the animate state, we are changing the text style to our new value, that is font style. Again, remember what I said for the text style. Text style is the target attribute. That is, whenever the style is changed, the widget animated default text style will trigger the animation. So on or inside the set state, we are assigning new values to the text style. For font size, color, font weight, font style, these all are variables that we have created here. And if we want to make it italic, we are changing this font style to font style.italic. If we want it to be bold, we change the font width to be font width.w900. And and if we want to increase the font size, we change the font size by 4. Similarly, to decrease the size, we change the font size, or we decrement the font size by -4. After changing any of the properties, call animate state. Inside the animate state, provide the new values to the text style. But do not forget to use the set state, because via set state you inform the Flutter to render the widget, to use new color, provide a new color to the color property of the text style. We are generating a random color over here via this function. To change the color and size, we are changing the size. On this line, we are generating a new font size between 0 to 50. This is random, and then we are changing the color, and after changing the color, we are animating the widget. You understand, right? To animate animated default text style, change this text style, provide the new value to this text style inside the set state, and your animation will start working. Let us look a little more a good example. This example is continuous. All the above examples were static. The reason why it is continuous is because we have used onEnd. Remember, onEnd is called whenever the animation is complete. So initially when the animation is complete, we are calling end callback. Inside the end callback, we are again changing the properties of the widget. And whenever the properties or the text style of this widget is changed, it will start the animation. So by this little trick, we are creating a continuous animation or the infinite animation. Okay, wait. Yeah. We can change as many properties as we want in a single at a single time and provide all those new values to that text style, and the widget will start animating to those new styles, but provide the new text style inside the set state, otherwise it will not work. If you have any doubt regarding how to use animated default text style, write it down in the comment section and I will respond to you as soon as possible. This code is available on the GitHub. The link is provided in the description. And if you like this video, share it with your friends. Do not forget to subscribe. And thank you and have a nice day.